In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a shopping account in Instagram. First, open your Instagram application by clicking on the Instagram icon. In the Instagram application, in the lower right corner, click your profile photo to go to your profile page. Now, we need to switch our account to a professional account. On your profile page, in the upper right corner, click the three bars. This will take you to the settings page. Here, you need to scroll down until you see the For Professionals tab. Click the Account Type and Tool option. This will take you to a new page. Here, click Switch to Professional Account. Click Continue in the bright blue color on the bottom of the page 4 times. Scroll down and select Shopping and Retail. Then click Done. Choose whether you are a business or creator, and then click Next. Here, you can choose whether to receive promotional emails from Instagram. Click Continue. Here, you can review your personal information such as your email, phone number, address, etc. Then click Next. Here you can connect to Facebook. Skip by tapping the Skip button. Here, you can set up your profile as per your liking. Now you have a professional Instagram account. To set up your profile, click the Edit Profile button on your profile page. Scroll down. Tap on the Active Buttons option. Here, you can add your shop's link and start your Instagram business journey.